In designing the cash call, we wanted to keep that overall raspy, ducky sound we had created with the Freak, but simply soften it up a little. It's perfect for those hunters who need a quieter call because of the location, or for those days when the ducks have become call shy and tend to flare away from louder, more aggressive calling. It has a smaller bore, which gives you plenty of back pressure, as well as a little extra hold. Named after the famous Cache River here in Arkansas, this call is 100% pure duck. If you're looking for a softer, quieter call with plenty of whiny, squeaky, nasty duck sounds, then the Cache is definitely the call for you.